Today we're installing the front clip and a bunch of parts onto the 73 Dodge Challenger. This is kind of a little bit of an update. We stuck the fenders on the car, taping up the fenders and the doors to prevent any kind of scratching. We got these brand new front bolt kit from AMD and US Car Tool. We also taped up the other side to prevent any scratching. We used this awesome tool from Strange Motion called Gap It to check the gaps between our fenders and our doors, just to make sure they're even across. This one was a little tight at the bottom, so we went ahead and made some more adjustments, and we checked this periodically throughout the entire assembly process. Up next, we installed the hood and the hinges, which fit really good. A little bit of adjustment needed to be made to the fenders and the doors, but not very much. I started to assemble this front part where the headlights and the grille bolt to the front of the car. Didn't take very much to install this. There was 8 bolts at the top. There's also a few brackets that needed installed. While I was doing this, a coworker started to assemble the brackets on the brand new front bumper that we got from Auto Metal Direct, or AMD. This is the front end, mostly put together. We also started putting the valance panel together, checking gaps once again, just making sure nothing changed in the time of us assembling anything. When the front part was installed, I got able to finish wiring the headlights, installed the trim, and test fitted the lower valance panel just a few times, just to be sure that everything fit like it was supposed to. Finished wiring the headlights, this is what it looked like, checking them to make sure that they actually worked. Installing the front bumper, we also taped the edges to prevent any kind of scratching. Installed the lower valance panel and the air ducts. The interior also showed up today. A lot of it was in really good shape, so most of it will be used. Throughout the day, we adjusted the windows, front and rear, and installed the carpet back into the car. We also had to make a few adjustments to the headliner before we can start doing things like the trim and everything, package tray and stuff. While we were waiting, we went ahead and installed the window trim clips before we actually install the windows. Also installed the trunk floor mat, which was in really good shape and was original to the car. And then we installed the brand new antenna. This is new glass that'll be going in the Challenger, which I'll do a video on later.